Hey guys, it's A Automotive Reviews. And today we're going to be looking at the maintenance locations underneath the hood for the 2021 Ford Bronco. Again, this is brought to you by Bronco Nation, written by Laura Zaleski. Now, the engine bay of the Ford Bronco 2.3 liter EcoBoost and the 2.7 liter is similar in setup, and common maintenance locations are easily spotted in both. Now, Ford eliminated the secondary hood release on the 2021 Bronco Sport. Two tugs on the release lever fully pops the hood, just like it does on BMWs and all the other cars. There's two tugs and it fully pops. Now on the Bronco, there's a secondary latch under the hood to operate the Bronco's hood release. Pull the interior lever near the driver's footwell, release the secondary latch under the hood to your left, and then you can now pop up in the hood with the struts. Now here's how the under the hood overview of the 2.3 liter EcoBoost look. And take a look. We have the engine coolant reservoir. We have the windshield washer fluid reservoir here. We have the engine oil dipstick right here. We have the engine oil filler cap right here. And we have the battery located here. And the air filter assembly here. And this is the 2.3 liter EcoBoost. Take a look at that. And then we'll look at the 6-cylinder. But this is under the hood. And an air filter assembly as well, as you can see here. Quite nice. And again, it's right here. This is again the 2.3 liter EcoBoost. I thought we had a V6 sooner or later. Oh, there it is right here. Now we have the V6. Basically, it's in the same location as you can see. A, engine coolant reservoir. B, windshield washer fluid reservoir. C, engine oil dipstick. D, engine oil filler cap. E, brake fluid reservoir. And F, the engine compartment fuse box. Same here. It's also the 2.3 liter. H, filler assembly. So basically the same. That's cool to have them all, all in the same place. That's a cool setup. And again, this is just the under the hood overview with the 2.3 liter and the 2.7 liter. And this is by Bronco Nation. This is A Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for coming.
Hey you guys, A Automotive Reviews. Remember, like, share, subscribe. And thanks for coming to the channel. I appreciate you. Until then, we out.